Hello guys, I have another brand new update for you. This time around, it's another free mining application where you need to just click once in every 12 hours, then mining continues. So in this video, I'll be showing you step by step how you can sign up and download the application to get your mining started. So if you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Urban Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel and you are listening to my voice for the very first time and you love making money online, or you want to know how to make money online through cryptocurrencies, then smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new update like this for you. So quickly, let's jump into today's episode. Alright guys, so for us to be able to use this platform, you will need to have an account, and to have an account, there's a link in the description of this video. Just go down below of this video, click on that link. It's going to bring you to this page, a page like this, where you are going to be signing up. Now to sign up, all you need to do is to write your email address over here. You provide your email address over here. Then after providing the email address, you need to click on send, which is over here. Then they will send you a verification code that you can go and get in your email address that you provided here. You get the email address, then you bring it down. You get the email address, you copy the code sent to you, then you bring it here and paste it over here. So after pasting it, all you need to do next is you need to set a password, which is just which has to be between 6 digits and 20 digits. So you need to put it here. After putting it, you need to confirm the password again. Then all you need to do next is to click on register. Now after clicking on register, it will take you to a page where you can download the application onto your mobile phone and you install. Then it's gonna ask you, it's going to tell you the application could be harmful to your phone. Don't be scared, that's going to happen because you are not downloading from the Play Store, you are downloading the APK file, that's why. So don't be scared, go ahead, download. And so once you get to this page like this, what you need to do is to click on the startup button for the mining to start immediately. And this is the same way you're going to be clicking on the startup button every 12 hours. So within every 12 hours, you come back here and you click on the startup button. Your mining will continue immediately. So all we need to do now is to click on startup. Click. All right, good. So you can see my mining has started. I can come back again in the next 12 hours. You can see it there. So my mining has started. So all I need to do is come back here and click once in every 12 hours, and I'm going to be accumulating more CAT coin on my dashboard. So all right, so let me show you now my balance, so you can see how much I've been mining. Okay, so far I've mined this on my balance, and this is the what. Right now, CAT stock has not been listed on any platform, so the price given here is just for references. It's not really the value of the CAT token we are mining, but it's just for references. For the platform has some other options for you to earn on this platform, and which they will need to refer to this particular amount given here in order to understand what they are doing. So that's why it's there. It's not really the official price yet. So let's go back. I'll go back to the home page. So that is all you need to do. You need to click once in every 12 hours and you are going to be mining the CAT token. Guys, you know, I've always told you guys, once you see opportunities like this, just jump on it. Don't waste time. It is absolutely free. You are doing this for free. You are not being charged of anything. So if you get to this application and you started mining, at least you should go through the application to know more about it and whatever other functions are there for. We have the NFT box where you can also get NFTs, and there are other programs coming up in this application that can enable you to earn these NFTs for free. Yes, so you need to take your time to read. Once you're in the application, take your time, click on the ecology section, read and understand what this project is all about. Take your time to read. So right now we are mining at this rate right now, and the more people get to join this platform, the mining rate is going to keep reducing. You can see we're going to keep reducing to this level. So guys, if you are watching this video right now at this time of this section that we are mining, which is still at 0.05, you should hop on this right now and accumulate more of CAT token before the mining rate reduces. You know, it keeps halving. I think after every 10 million join, I think 10 million user, or I don't know, honestly I might be wrong about that. You need to take your time to read to understand. Also, there's also the roadmap down here. You can take, okay, yeah, here we are. The roadmap of this project is over here. We started in August, and we are just not long ago. We started in August 2022. So if you can take your time to read and follow up the roadmap, you'll see the structure of this project in general. The other section is where you can also get information like notification or messages from the core team, yes, you can get messages from the team over here. Just they drop information, they drop updates and different messages for us here. You can read and know whenever they have a new event coming up or any other thing coming up in the application. Right now there's an event going on, which is I think the buyback. Let's go back to the home page, which is the buyback. Yes, over here you can locate it over here. You can locate the buyback over here. Let's click here, you see it over here. So we just click here and maybe we'll just preview it quickly. All right, so here we are. The buyback event has already started, yes, because I think they said starting on October 3, you can see, and it's ending in December 3. So we still have time to participate in this, and take your time to read it. I think I'll make another video explaining more about this buyback event, but it's definitely gonna be a good one. The buyback, it's all about, I think the company is going to buy back some token from us, giving us USDT. So it's a nice it's something you should be part of, and there are criteria you need to meet up with. Like one of them is you need to have about 10 referrals, from 10 referrals above, you know, then you are eligible to participate in this program. So I'll be making another video on that later. FAQ here, you can go ahead, click on it. Frequently asked questions, click on it and read through. You're going to see a lot of responses, a lot of answers to many questions that you might be bothering you in your head. So go ahead, take your time to read them quickly, guys. Like I said, this is a free mining application. You click just once in every 12 hours. So guys, it's actually passive. So guys, if you know you want to be part of it, there's a link in the description of this video. Also go down there, just click on it and sign up, and get your app downloaded and get it set and start mining just every 12 hours. Once you click in every 12, you click once in every 12 hours and mining continues, guys. And don't forget, use your referral link. I told you guys, always use your referral link. To get your referral link, you get it here. Click on team. All right, then invite friend. You can just click on invite friend. It's going to bring you to where you can get your invitation code, or you click on invite now. Then it's going to take you to where you can see the link over here. Over here you can, okay, let me bring this up. Over here you can get the link, you copy it, you just click on copy link. It's going to copy your link and you can share, or you can also use this to share. Or if you like to download this poster for someone else to be able to use this code here, and to scan the code and download the app. It's good to go. So guys, that's how you can share, get your referral link and share with your friends and family, and invite people to be able to earn more. So if you like what I showed you in this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be bringing you more updates again. And don't forget to click on the notification bell sign so that you can be notified each time I upload a brand new updates like this again. So guys, I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.